In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add form fields in Mailerlite. We'll start by signing into your Mailerlite account. Head to the login page and enter your credentials, then choose the account you want to work in. If you manage multiple brands, make sure you're in the correct workspace so the new field lands in the right place. Once you're in, go to the subscribers area. This is where Mailerlite stores all contact data and the settings that power personalization and segmentation. Inside subscribers, open the Fields tab. Fields are the data points tied to each subscriber, things like first name, city, or in our case, a custom detail you want to collect. Click Create Field. Give your new field a clear, short name. For example, you might type highlight if you plan to capture a favorite highlight or keynote from a user. Keep the name descriptive but simple so your team recognizes it later. Consistency helps with automation rules and email personalization. Next, choose the data type. If the information you want to collect is free-form text, like a favorite topic or a short note, select text. If it needs to be a numeric value, like a score, count, or age, select number. Pick the option that matches how you'll use the data. Choosing the right type up front keeps your lists clean and your filters accurate. When you're ready, confirm by creating the field to save it to your account. Now head over to your form. Open the form you want to update in the editor so you can place the new field where subscribers will see it. Look to the right side of the editor for the Add Field panel or button. Click that to open the list of available fields. Find the custom field you just created and select it. It will appear on your form instantly. This is a good moment to make sure the label is clear and that the field sits in a logical spot, usually after name and email. If you plan to use this data for segmentation or personalization, clarity in the label helps improve submission quality. Mailerlite typically saves changes as you go, but if you see a save or update button, give it a quick click to confirm. That's it, you've created a new subscriber field and added it to your form. From here, any submissions will populate that field automatically, making it easy to filter, segment, and personalize your campaigns with confidence.